Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for your seventh inning stretch. Come on, sing along. Take me out to the ball game.
Hey guys, I'm Glenny Grits with Glenny Grits Juice, coming to you from Coach Cheesy's house in San Diego, California. And on tonight's episode, episode 10, we have Barry Bonds, Performance Enhancing Juice. Let's go. Hey guys, before we introduce tonight's new cast member to the show, I want to talk a little bit about what inspired tonight's episode. Tonight's episode is basically inspired by the PED era of baseball. I grew up in this era. It was an amazing era of baseball. If you were around then and watching it, you couldn't take your eyes off the home run chase between Sammy Sosa and Mark McGwire. As you can see, I'm a big Cubbies fan. Yes, we did win after 108 years in 2016. Woo, woo, that's what's up, you know what I'm saying? But tonight, it's inspired on the PED use of athletes in baseball at the time. And tonight, I'm going to give you a performance enhancement juice without juicing, okay? And I guarantee you, my ingredients here, check it out, Coach, come in here. None of these are on the banned substance list. I'll guarantee you that. Okay, guys? Hey, we're going to get into it. Let's go. Glenny Grits Juice, episode 10. Let's do it. Hey, guys, per usual, every week, I like to introduce a new cast member. And this week, I'm introducing strawberries, guys. Let me tell you something. If you're not incorporating these into your diet, juicing them, you're really missing out, okay? These things are freaking amazing. I'll tell you guys exactly why the strawberries are amazing, okay? The heart-shaped silhouette of this strawberry is the first clue that this fruit is good for you, okay? They're packed full of antioxidants. They help fight against high blood pressure, fight against cancer. They're packed with vitamins, antioxidants. They're cholesterol free, they're a low calorie food, and they're among the top 20 fruit in antioxidant capacity and are a good source of manganese and potassium, guys. Get them in your diet. Hey guys, before I get into actually getting these ingredients ready, I want to introduce the rest of the cast, guys. Tonight in my performance enhancing juice, I'm putting, of course, Glenny Grit style. Spinach always goes in there. It's good for you guys. It's packed full of vitamins. It's got, high in iron. If you're anemic, get some spinach, guys, okay? Next thing I want to talk about, guys, carrots. These things are amazing, guys, okay? Carrots, get them in your diet, okay? They're packed full of beta-carotene, good for your eyes. They're diabetic friendly, and they help lower blood pressure, guys, okay? So who doesn't want that? That's gonna performance enhance your life, okay? So let's get that straight. Next, I want to send a big shout out to my boy Kenny Woods, CSG 360 Jiu-Jitsu. He's an awesome guy. Gave me these off his orange tree yesterday. These are juicing oranges. So I just picked these fresh yesterday. Can't wait to put them in there. We all know oranges are good for vitamin C and just overall wellness and boosting your immune system. Okay, guys? Also, we're going to have apples. I don't need to say shit about these. You know exactly how I feel about these. I love them. I eat a couple every day. Okay? Next, we're going to be putting in lemons, guys. Lemons, okay? This is going to help alkalize your body, packed full of vitamin C. And if you're looking to drop a few pounds and put a little performance enhancement on your life, put lemons in your juice, guys. Last one here, guys. I love this. This is a great filler for any juice. Like if you need to add a little more liquid to your juice, put in celery, okay? And if you're having bubble guts before the big game, throw in some celery, okay? It's gonna help take care of that, okay? It'll take that away. It's good for the tummy, guys, okay? Now that I've introduced the rest of the cast members, I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready. I'll be right back, guys.
1, on 2, on 3, take me out to the
We don't take the tops off, guys, when we're juicing. No way. Hey, guys, let's get to my favorite part, which is actually making the juice. Let's go! Woo! Guys, this is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna pour the juice. Cheesy, come on in here. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you like what you saw, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate any feedback and I appreciate all the support, guys. Keep healthy grits. Salud. Wow. Wow. I'm ready to hit a home run. We all know that Barry Bonds went from kind of a skinnier guy to a really bulked up Hulk looking motherfucker. No, I don't want to say that. Hey guys, before we get into what inspired tonight's hey guys, as always, I introduce a new cast member to the show every week, and this week I'm introducing strawberries, guys. Strawberries, let me tell you what, if you guys aren't juicing these and incorporating these into your diet somehow, fucking shoot that again. Because as always, I always
Cut.